Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting for you. If you're looking for a meal replacement that packs a punch, then stay tuned because we are diving into the benefits of the Labrada Nutrition Lean Body High Protein Meal Replacement Shake. This shake gives you 40 grams of premium quality protein in each serving. That's right, 40 grams. It's designed to help build and maintain lean muscle, making it perfect for anyone from athletes to busy professionals. Whether you're working out or just trying to get through a hectic day, this high-protein formula keeps you fueled and feeling strong. One of my favorite things about lean body is that it has zero added sugar. And it's low in carbs, which means it fits perfectly into a keto or low-carb diet. No more sugar crashes. Show someone sipping the shake after a workout. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, this shake can help you stay full longer. The protein helps curb your cravings, and it's only 280 calories per serving, so you're getting all the nutrients you need without the extra calories. Now, let's talk about taste. Labrada has nailed it with flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. It's smooth, creamy, and doesn't have that chalky aftertaste that some other shakes do. The texture is thick, so it really feels like a meal replacement, not just a watery protein drink. Another big win for the Lean Body Shake is how convenient it is. Whether you're on the go, rushing between meetings, or just too busy to prepare a meal, this shake has got your back. Just mix it with water or milk, shake it up, and you've got a meal replacement ready in seconds. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone on a weight loss journey, or simply looking for a quick, healthy meal option, this product is designed to fit into any lifestyle. So, if you're looking for a delicious, nutritious, and convenient way to hit your protein goals, Labrada Nutrition Lean Body High Protein Meal Replacement Shake is definitely worth a try. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab yours and let me know in the comments if you've tried it. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews.